We are with you. We're sitting behind this cactus.
Yeah, he seems to have evaporated. If you could maybe call your ramp and tell him he needs to, speak to me if he's going to park on the taxiway indefinitely. Cactus, 2017, are you back with me?
Yep.
Yeah, you can't hold there. What's the word on your gate?
Trying to figure it out.
There, Francis, what gate are you waiting for?
Francis, still waiting for our gate.
Yes, and what gate would that be?
Gate 8, Francis.
2173 and Bravo hold short whiskey. We're not yet cleared in the ramp with the aircraft on set.
I'm aware of that. That's why you're parked there. Call me when you can get in the ramp.
Ground Air France 06 Super, gate 8 is available for us.
No, it's not. They lied to you. So just hold there. I'll call you when it's available. I don't need you to tell me what I can see and you can't.
Okay.
Okay, one at a time, please, gentlemen. Listen up before you key the mic and step on each other. China Eastern, you had a question about your taxi route?
Gate 4